Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. So this will be a very quick video on how you can get from London to Swansea, and I'm going to tell you about different ways and different routes you can select and what will be the best one for you. So let's not waste time and let's start the video. Okay, so to start the video, I will be telling you about how you can get from London to Swansea, and I will be telling you how you can get from London Heathrow Airport to Swansea. So because most of the flights or most of the students who are coming here in the UK for the first time are coming here through Heathrow Airport, so that is one of the most used one. So I'm gonna tell you about that. So in total there are 4 modes of transportation that you can choose between, and you can choose any one of them which can take you from Heathrow Airport to Swansea or London to Swansea in general. So the first one is trains. So you can take train from London Heathrow to Swansea. So one thing about the train is you have to change the train at least once. So from London Heathrow you will go to London Paddington railway station, and from there you can get a train to Swansea. So there is at least one change. There might be 2 changes as well, but there is at least one change. There is no direct train from Heathrow to Swansea. So that is one thing that you need to keep in mind, and if you have a lot of luggage, you have to think if you can change between the trains. It's not that difficult because you don't have to move or walk or take any other means of transportation to change the train, but still if you think you have a lot of luggage with you, you need to think twice before booking that. So the trains are more expensive compared to the other mode of transportation, so you need to look into that as well, but the trains are more comfortable as well, because train seats are much more comfortable and it might be convenient for you as well, and it might take a shorter amount of time. The duration of your travel might be short, so you need to check how many stops are there and what time you are taking the train and what time you are reaching here in Swansea and how much is the cost, because sometimes if you can get a very good deal where you can get here quickly and in a very affordable price. So in that way trains are very good, but you need to keep looking on all the possibilities. So the second mode of transportation is the buses. So as I've told you before in my previous video, there are 3 buses that run in the UK, which are the coaches, as you can say. The first one is the National Express coaches, second one is the Flix bus, and the third one is the Mega bus. So these are the 3 companies which provide the bus services all around UK, and you can go from anywhere to anywhere. So yes, you can take the buses from London Heathrow Airport to Swansea, and the buses are most probably direct. You don't have to change the buses anywhere. So National Express has a lot of convenient times, and the frequency of the buses are a lot better than either of the 2 buses. You can get National Express from London Heathrow to Swansea, and it will be not as long in duration as well, and it will be much cheaper for you as well. So comparatively in these 3 buses, National Express is much more convenient because of the timings and the frequency of the buses, and the seats are also above average. The Flix bus is the cheapest option, but the frequency of the buses are not that great, and the seats are almost around average, and Mega bus is in between Flixbus and National Express, where it's affordable, and the seats are also between above average and average. So that is what you can get. So these are the 3 bus options you can take. And I personally took National Express to come from Heathrow to Swansea, because it takes around 4 to 4.5 hours, and it's not a much longer duration than train might also take around 3.5 hours or something, and the bus will take around 4 to 4.5 hours. But it might also depend on the traffic on that day, so it is dependent on the traffic. But yes, buses are much more convenient to you if you don't want to change trains or change buses. So yes, there is one point you need to keep in mind before booking your tickets for the bus, is that there are luggage restrictions on buses. So you need to go on their website and check their baggage or their luggage restrictions, and if you have more luggage than they allow you, you have to buy the luggage. For I think for National Express it's £8 per bag. And yeah, so you can easily search on Google, type in the bus service, the bus company name, and luggage restrictions, and you can get the information out of it. So please do keep that in mind, otherwise you will have to pay to the driver on the day of your travel if there are extra luggage on you. Yes, of course it is cheaper than trains or any other transportation out there. Okay, so the third mode of transportation, and I think it is one of the least used transportation, are the taxis. So yes, of course you can book a taxi from London to Swansea, but it will be way more expensive. But if you think you can afford it, it will be very much convenient, because it will come on your time and drop you off at your desired location, and you can take as much luggage as you want, and you can maybe take a break in between, have food, etc. So you can obviously book a taxi, but only if you can afford it, and it will be much more comfortable and convenient as well for you. Okay, so the fourth and the last mode of transportation from London to Swansea is the university airport pickups. So almost all of the universities who are not based in London do provide airport pickups. Swansea University do provide airport pickups from London Heathrow to Swansea, and the only thing is they are only on a very specific dates. I think around 3 or 4 dates in September, I'm not too sure. You can go on the website and just search airport pickups, and you can get the dates and the times as well, because they are very specific, and you have to reach there at that time, or you have to wait for that time. So yes, university airport pickups are cheaper or free. So sometimes it's free from the university, or sometimes it's way more cheaper than the buses or the taxis or the trains. So yes, you can definitely have a look on the university airport pickup, and if you're coming on the same day and if your timing match, then it is one of the best mode of transportation that can get you from the airport to Swansea. So go on the website or go on Google and just search airport pickups Swansea University, and I think you should get all the information that you need. So yes, there are other airport pickup services from private companies as well that work, and I think these private companies do charge you some amount of money, but it might be convenient for you as well. You have to of course go to their website and search how they work and where they pick you and where they drop you and all of that. But yes, there are private companies who do airport pickups as well. So I think if you want to take advantage of airport pickups and other services when you're moving to the UK, you can definitely check out Amber and Amber Plus and Amber Value Pack. So all of these services do help you and give you huge amount of discounts on all of these airport pickup service or moving charges or any of these things that involves students moving into the UK or inside the UK. So you can definitely go and check out these services, and you can book an accommodation through Amber and get huge amount of discounts up to 300 to 400 pounds on these services. So the link will be down in the description box below. Definitely go and check it out and see if you can take advantage of these services as well. Also, talking about Amber, all the applicants who are going through UCAS and who are applying to come here in the UK, please book your accommodation as early as possible, because a lot of students come here and look for accommodation, and that is not a great way to look for accommodation, because you will have to compromise a lot, pay more, and you will not get your desired location of accommodation. So please do look for accommodation and book it through Amber, because it is the most hassle-free experience, and you will get a personalized assistant to assist you to find your perfect accommodation and book it hassle-free, and it will be for free. So the personalized assistant will contact you as soon as you register through the Amber website. The link will be down in the description box below, and you don't have to pay Amber one single penny. So that is one thing that has been going on, which Amber has been providing, and a lot of students have been taking advantage of that. So you should as well. Don't miss out the chance of early booking your accommodation. And the deadlines for UCAS has been approaching as well. So if you want to submit your undergraduate application, do it by 31st of January 2024 to give you a chance of equal consideration of your application. So that is also one important thing that Amber has been pushing, because they know that people delay their applications. So please do check out Amber and its services that includes accommodation and all the moving and settling down process for the students over here in the UK, and you can get huge amount of discounts and your perfect accommodation when you come here. So the link will be down in the description box below, and you can go and definitely check that out. So I think this was it for this video. This was a very quick video on how you can get from London to Swansea. A lot of people were asking me about it. I have definitely made a video about this before, but that was around 2 years ago. So I thought I will make an updated version of that video so that you know all your preferences and all your options, and you can book your perfect or plan your perfect journey from London to Swansea. So I hope you got some information out of it. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. It gives me a lot of motivation, and please share this video to all your friends and families and people you know who are coming to Swansea. Thank you so much for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram, and you can DM me with your questions, queries, suggestions, thoughts. Comment down below if you have any suggestions and any topics of videos that I can make in future for you. And yes, the link will be down for the Instagram, or the ID will be here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one.